let's allow our Mac and Windows PC to talk to each other so the Windows PC can build iOS apps for us. Now in Xamarin, this used to be done with the iOS build host, but it's no longer done like that. It's done in a much better way, and that is using SSH. So the first thing we have to set up is our remote login. And that is under sharing. And then we want to click remote login to on. And for now, let's have allow access for all users. We're just going to test this out, and having all users eliminates problems with when we limit users. So try all users first and then try only administrator. And go ahead and close that. And that's all you really need to do on your Mac to get access to it. On our Windows device, to connect our Mac, we just have to hit Tools, Options, and then way down at the bottom we have Xamarin and iOS Settings. And then all we have to do is click Find Xamarin Mac Agent. And there it is. So select it and hit Connect. It's going to ask you for the username and password. So I'll just enter that. I've done it too fast. And that should connect. I'm just going to allow that. And the thing that I just allowed there too quickly for you to see was the mono-sgen, and that was a firewall exception that you might need to add into your Mac. So if you just head on over to the firewall under security and privacy in your Mac, it's just something to be aware of, that you may actually need to add it to that list. So if I go over to firewall options, there I have mono-sgen. So if it doesn't work for you, simply allow this. And I'm just going to close that. So as you can see from my switching, I'm actually running this inside a Windows virtual machine on my Mac inside Parallels 10, and it all works fine. So you don't necessarily have to have a completely different machine, but it's nicer because you can run natively. That concludes everything you need to connect your PC to your Mac for iOS development.